What's going on YouTube? This is Dylan the Camo Man here today. Welcome to a brand new video. Hope you guys are going to enjoy today's video. I'm very excited today. We are going to be going out on a kayak to go after some smallmouth today, back in some creeks and stuff. I'm heading with my friend Casey. You guys know him. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to head back there, see if we can catch us some big fish, because I'm really excited. It's going to be a lot of fun. This is actually going to be my first time kayaking, actually going fishing on a kayak. I've never done it before. I've been kayaking before, but I've never actually went fishing. But we're going to head back there. We're going to see how we do. It's going to be a lot of fun. And by the way, I am finally off school. No more school. It's summer break now, so I get to make a ton more videos. We're going to have a ton, probably double, maybe triple the videos each week. So we're going to have a lot of fun stuff this summer. It's going to be a lot of fun. So, all right, so let's go fishing out on this kayak. We're going to see how we do. So, all right. Oh, and one more thing. I just heard a gobble. Turkey season's over with, and here come the turkeys. One more thing, I am taking minimal gear. I'm taking minimal camera gear. I'm not taking this camera. I'm taking my GoPro and my phone, and that's going to be it. Got one fishing pole. That's all we're taking, because it doesn't have a holder for like 2 or 3 rods. But I'm taking minimal gear. Got all the tackle I'm taking in one bag, so we're good there. So we're taking minimal stuff. We're gonna go see how we do. Let's head out. You can talk. Hey, does this GoPro look on straight? Does this GoPro look straight? Alrighty. We're out here today with Casey. Fat Bass TV. What'd you get snagged? There's something right there. Huh? Gotta be a turtle. We better get back to that creek before they do. We got a race. Yeah, they'll probably go back there. Yeah. Like on our way back, we'll hit all this stuff in the middle. Let's just get back there. Alrighty. We gotta beat all these people up here. It's Friday today. And look where we're at, boys. No school. We're heading back here into this creek. We're gonna try and catch stuff back here. Some smallmouth. Hopefully some largies. Yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more of this type of stuff this summer. We got a lot of stuff planned. I'm not gonna tell you yet because it's surprises. But let me guys know if you guys like what you see. I only bought like.
Oh.
Golly,
dude.
Here you go.
That's cold.
Well, that's gonna be on the video right there. Huh?
See it? Oh. Kobe style, boys. Whoa, that's cold.
It's gonna be fun. I'll hand you one pole at a time. See.
Alright.
I'll just go. Don't go floating down the river now.
That's where I'm headed.
Heading back to the Amazon. Let,
calm. You can tell it. You can tell it gets calm.
oh yeah, I see it up here. Let the fat man go first. Here we go, boys.
Stay on the side right here. You'll be all right.
Oh snap, bro! It's like a waterfall.
You can't make it through there.
I'm gonna try. Here we go. That's hard. I don't want to tip. Hold on, boys.
Guys, watch my poles.
All right.
Alright, I'm going back up, man.
I'm getting through.
We're doing it again, Camo. Let's do it.
Two. Oh, shoot. I just got soaked.
We need a trolling motor.
I'm wet. I'm going through. Don't let me down. Oh, shoot. Get over here. Oh, crap. We gone. Oh, snap, bro. Shoot. You paddled and got me all wet. You good? Alrighty.
We're back. Oh, there's more.
No way.
Small one. Oh, let me grab my fishing pole.
Alrighty. So we tried to get through the rapids of Niagara Falls. That failed. I mean, I could have walked through there. While he's doing that, I'm gonna rig up a fluke real quick. We're back here in these creeks. Flukes tend to do good. So we're gonna rig up a fluke. You left your Mountain Dew. Yeah.
Pull you out.
I think I got it. Oh yeah, boys, we're cooking now. Boys, we're going into the rapids, getting out of here. Oh shoot. I'm not starting over. Huh? Crunch time, boys.
You going first?
Yeah, I'm going first.
Do it, big boy.
We're heading in, boys. Yay! What up? I ain't afraid of no ghost. There you go. Oh, shoot. I love you, mama. Oh, snap, this is fast. Hold on. Get on out of here. Not too bad. Woo! Oh. Oh, there's a big waterfall. Dude, look. We're going. Incoming! Oh, this is gonna suck. Woo! Oh! Oh crap, bro! We made it. Little, that's worse than the one up there. It's got rocks and everything. Incoming! All right, there's part one. Part two's up the creek, so you can be in it. Alrighty, round two.
Don't run into me, Dylan.
Big fatty is coming down the road.
Hey, don't hit that big rock.
Oh yeah, that wouldn't be good. Hopefully it don't bottom. She just texted.
I think it's going to, Dylan.
Huh?
It's shallow scrap.
Get her done!
Yes, sir! All the way!
Oh, boys. This ain't even bad. Huh. Oh, yeah. It's a drop off.
Hey, follow me. I'll get in the worst part of it.
Alrighty.
See where it's floating at?
Yeah. Get on in there.
Pick me up! Oh, pick me up! Now! Now! Now!
And coming, boys. Shoot. Shoot. Bam. We're good.
This is scary as crap.
Oh, it ain't.
Going sideways it is.
All right, I'll go sideways. Ooh, boy. All right, we're going sideways edition. No, we're going backwards edition.
Dylan, we're stuck. Push me.
Ugh.
Whoa.